I saw her and she hit me like that.
Raktarigiri raktarum, raktarigiri raktarum, raktarigiri raktarum.
Hey guys, how are you all? So let's create the perfect festive look by using Rivaj product. Starting by using Rivaj, super easy to use eyebrow pencil to define my eyebrows. The perfect glowing look, going with their glowing liquid highlighter that works wonderfully under and over the makeup. Now to conceal and to get the flawless makeover, I'll use the Rivaj liquid concealer. For the foundation, Rivaj Photo Focus Foundation will work perfectly as it is long lasting, has buildable medium coverage and is oil free. To highlight my highlighting points, I'll use the Rivaj liquid concealer. To set everything in place, Rivaj 2-way cake foundation will work perfectly. Foundation with coverage and ये dry and wet दोनों तरीके से यूज हो सकता है. Also, it has SPF protection. I need the sculpt and contour look. For that, Rivaj UK Fantasy Contour Palette is perfect. And it's perfect for Asian skin tones. For my favorite part, blush, I'm using the Blush Forever palette. Now, by using the Beauty Beats eyeshadow palette by Rivaj, I'm creating a look that will look amazing on every festive look. The eyeshadows are super pigmented and super easy to blend. Now, this is my favorite dip eyeliner by Rivaj. Super black and super easy to use. Now, I need volume in my lashes. For that, I'm using the High Impact Mascara by Rivaj. Let's apply the lashes that are wispy but natural. I love this style in Tigress. Now for my lips, I'm using the Pure Matte Lipstick. Just look at the shade, it's beautiful. For that trendy plump lips, this Diamond Shine lip gloss is favorite. This is my final look and I think it's a super versatile look and can be done on various events and special days. The products are mentioned below. I hope you